Now, with 2023 coming to an end, a flurry of IPOs have debuted in the past couple of weeks and several others are in the pipeline. Now, one interesting name is Happy Forgings Limited. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the business model of Happy Forgings Limited and the industry it operates in, followed by the financials of the company and lastly, its valuations as well. The Happy Forgings plans to raise rupees 1009 crore through this public issue. Now, this includes a fresh issue of rupees 400 crores and 608.9 crores of shares offered by the promoter and a private equity investor. Now, the subscription for the Happy Forgings IPO commences on December 19, 2023 and concludes on December 21, 2023. Now, the allotment results are anticipated to be finalized by Friday, which is 22nd December 2023. Now, the price band for Happy Forgings IPO is set between 808 rupees to 850 rupees per share, and the minimum lot size for an application is 17 shares. Retail investors are required to invest a minimum amount of 14,450 rupees. Now, talking about the objects of the issue, Happy Forgings has specific plans for the raised capital, including acquiring equipment and machinery, settling certain outstanding debts, and addressing general corporate needs. Now, what does the company exactly do? Established in July 1979, Happy Forgings Limited is an Indian manufacturer with expertise in designing and manufacturing heavy forgings and high-precision machined components. Notably, Happy Forgings is India's fourth largest heavy forged and precision machined components maker. Now, the global markets for forging and machining are projected to be worth approximately $71.9 billion and $52.5 billion respectively in 2023. Now, these markets are expected to grow at a CAGR of 5.1% and 5.2% respectively, reaching a value of $97 billion and $71.2 billion by 2029. Now, the forging and machining sectors in India are poised for significant growth. Presently valued at $7.3 billion and $5.4 billion for the fiscal year FY24, these markets are expected to experience robust expansion with CAGRs of 7.1% and 8.4% by FY29. Now, the company earns its revenue from sale of products from forging and machining. In FY23, the forging business contributed 21% of the revenues, while the sale from machined products contributed 79% of the total revenues. Now, the company operates in the automotive sector, deriving its revenue from OEMs of commercial vehicles. Now, within the non-automotive sector, it manufactures and supplies a wide range of precision components to the OEMs of farm equipment, off-highway vehicles, and industrial machinery and equipment for oil and gas, power generation, railways, and the wind turbine industries. Now, the company has also expanded its business footprint, which spans across geographies in over 9 countries, including Brazil, Italy, Japan, Spain, Sweden, Thailand, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America. The revenue from other countries formed almost 13% of its total revenue in FY23. Now, when we talk about the financials, the revenue grew at a CAGR of 27% annually between FY21 and FY23 to 11,965 million rupees, while EBITDA rose 29% on the CAGR basis to 3,409 million rupees, implying an EBITDA margin of 28.5%. Now, the net profit expanded at 55% CAGR to 2,087 million rupees between FY21 and FY23. Now, the company's ROE and ROCE stood at 21.12% and 24.24% respectively. Now, while Happy Forgings is still an emerging company, its revenue stands nowhere close to the big players in the industry. But despite all this, it stands out in a few parameters. Happy Forging exhibits the best EBITDA margins at 28.5%, PAT margins at an impressive double-digit figures of 17.4%, while most peers stand at single-digit numbers. Moreover, even the return-based financial ratios of ROE and ROCE display consistency and are best compared to all of its peers. When looked at the valuation matrix, Bharat Forge is trading at the highest PE of 102x and Craftsman Automation Limited is trading at the lowest PE of 44x. If calculated based on the available information with an upper price band of 850 rupees per share and an EPS of 23.3, this translates into PE of 36.4x, while the industry PE average stands at 70x. So, will you be applying for the Happy Forgings IPO? Let us know in the comment section below. With that, this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.